look how teeny tiny they are. Version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4 is readily available. You guys know that I've also been struggling with YouTube badly. That a lot has changed and, you know, I need to face the new reality. It's been very toxic. And I've been thinking about leaving the luxury community so many times now because I feel luxury fatigue. Hello everybody, look at this. It's a hotel. I just quickly wanted to say, if you haven't seen my Tenerife vlog either yet, go and watch it because it was such an amazing holiday and I was, you know, taking my hiking backpack with me and I'm still wearing it now because I love this bag so much. And yeah, so I would say let's get coffee and let's go. Quick stop at Pop Mart, guys. I haven't seen the new Labubus yet. Just for anybody who's wondering how the new Labubus look like. Here they are. This is the first time I'm seeing them as well. They are smaller, so these are the have a seat. They are a lot smaller than I even imagined, I have to say. I think I would get these colors, but I told myself I'm not gonna get any, so we're not gonna do that. But I thought I'm going to show you if we already walked past Pop Mart. Here they are, the little buggers. Maybe one, you know? Maybe that one. Okay guys, I know a couple days ago I said I wouldn't get any of the mini Labubus, but I have to be honest, I did enter the lottery that we have here in the UK. That's the only way of how you can get them, how they're distributed, and I won 4 boxes. Plus let me know, of course, if you are already lucky enough to get some of the new Labubus. Beautiful day, huh?
Really lovely day.
We are in the Royal Exchange right now and it is really, really beautiful here, right?
Yeah, it's very pretty.
It's really pretty. And it's super nice and warm and cozy.
It didn't take you here for ages.
You
didn't want to come
earlier.
That was on you. That's on
I
you.
know. So, okay guys, I already filmed my short, so definitely go and check out the shorts section as well. But here we are with the second part of the alphabet, and I really wanted R, my letter obviously, and you guys know I love everything pink and purple, and I think I was pretty lucky, right? This one is my favorite. I was really surprised by the color. And they are so teeny tiny, guys. This is letter T. Oh my god, this is my letter. We actually did get R. Isn't it funny that the R is black and I love everything black, my entire wardrobe is black. Goes well with my black lace dresses, right? This is X. My mom would actually like this one. That's her kind of red. Isn't it cute? And the last one, guys, and I couldn't be any happier. Look at him. This is like the absolute best Barbie pink. Goes well with my ring snuggle.
Yeah.
Is this combination not a match made in heaven? I mean, look how teeny tiny they are. Oh, I love it. This is such a beautiful place and it's Saturday and it's entirely quiet, guys. Yeah, it's perfect if you want to escape the hustle of London a little bit, right? So quiet, even though it's like the weekend. Oh wow, that looks incredible. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
And the main lobster roll and a steak.
For the same.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it's actually quite a nice day today. And I thought I need to do a little catch-up video. To be honest guys, I feel like I'm going round and round and round in circles, and this is soon it's gonna be 3 years with my health issues. And it's all gotten a lot better. However, when I came back from Tenerife, I had the worst infection and I just couldn't get over it. I think my body is a lot weaker and needs a lot more time than in the past to heal from like minor issues. What was really difficult for me as well recently is that I probably have to accept that I will have certain pains and aches here and there, and to accept that I'm probably gonna have to deal with chronic pain to some extent. And I think this entire year I needed to accept that. I want to get back to how my body was before all of this, and I think it's just not going to happen. At some point, I think it sounds bad, but I think at some point you cannot hope anymore, and you just have to accept that a lot has changed, and you know, I need to face the new reality. For me, the issue is that any minor pain always brings up that fear, that panic, that oh my god, endo is coming back, or you know, I need another surgery, I need another operation. And I think that fear is crippling me. If you're dealing with chronic pain, let me know how long it took you to accept it and how you did end up accepting it in the end. Like, what was your mental process? You guys know that I've also been struggling with YouTube badly because I'm always trying to build myself up again and be ready to film again, and then, you know, the next thing hits me and I can't film for another month, and I'm gone for another month, and I mean, my algorithm is dead. I've been thinking more and more, can I even keep going? Should I just leave it? My husband always says, you know, if it's just too much, just leave it, you know, just. But on the other hand, I know that this is a passion of mine, and it's really difficult for me to find a balance. I always thought there's an end. I think that's the issue. I always thought there's an end of where I'm myself again and I can just go on and we can have a blast again, talking about bags and fashion and everything. By the way, I found this little bag and I love it. Reminds me of a Bottega. It really feels like I constantly disappoint myself, I disappoint all of you, but I just can't do anything against it, and I think that is slowly chipping away at me. But let's get to the topic, to the nicer topics, because you guys know also I was supposed to already be in Dublin by now and see Faye and have amazing Dublin vlogs, so I really hope we can do that soon and see Faye. My birthday haul is still coming up, and you guys know that I sold 16 bags, so we got a little bit of a bag fund, and I really want to get special pieces for autumn and winter. First up, I have to say I have fallen in love with this Nur Hamur coat. It's just so incredible. The moment I saw it, I knew it was for me. And I've been thinking about it every day, visiting the website every day, and it's just me. It's just me. That's the most, and it's shearling. That's the most gorgeous coat in the entire universe, if you ask me. I don't know what it is. I've fallen madly and deeply head over heels in love with it. I think I asked before if any of you have a Nur Hamur coat. Let me know about the quality. Let me know if it's really worth that price tag, because it's quite pricey. Next up, guys, I don't know if you have seen the new Bvlgari bags. Bvlgari, well, Marika Transu, the creative director of Bvlgari, she did a collaboration with Geraldine Gouillot-Arnaud, and they recreated one of my favorite bags in the world, the Serpentine top handle bag, and it looks really gorgeous, especially this red satin one. And to be honest, guys, a little nerdy joke, you know that I've always thought I cannot have a red bag, like red is not my color anyway, and I cannot have a red and gold bag in my collection. That's such a Gryffindor thing. And you know, Slytherins, we are very proud, obviously, we have Slytherin pride, and I was like, I cannot run around with a red and gold bag, but because this one obviously has the snake as a handle, I think I could proudly wear this red and gold bag as a Slytherin. I think my heart is still absolutely set on the Bvlgari Palini bag, and like I said before, it's just this idea of a bag dripping in diamonds, and it's lizard, black lizard, and I know most people would probably use that bag as a cocktail bag, but I think I would make this my everyday bag. I mean, it's been weeks at this point that I've seen this bag in Harrods, if you can remember, and I cannot forget about it. I think it would be my absolute favorite bag in my entire collection. And I mean, that means something because you guys know I have quite a lot of bags. As somebody who has been very uninspired recently anyway by everything that's going on in the world, like even in our community, again, it's been very toxic. And I've been thinking about leaving the luxury community so many times now, and because I feel luxury fatigue. Even though all of this has been going on, this bag is still giving me butterflies. And I think during this time, if something really makes me feel inspired, that is probably the right one. Since I'm making YouTube videos, which is 5 years already, I've always dreamt about having a green Bvlgari bag, and now they made the mini top handle Serpenti Forever in green Karung. So I think that bag is in the run as well. Also, you guys know I've been looking at Schiaparelli bags for a while, and the right anatomy souffle bag has just not been designed yet, I think. I tried the beige one on, I almost bought it. I was thinking about the black one as well, but then the black one in the small size was sold out for the longest time. And now they came out with like a wild west style. I've seen some other suede bags, but it's just not the one. However, this one is incredible. I still have certain like house elements on my wish list as well, like decorating the house. I know we've been in the new house for 2 years and I still haven't given you a house tour. We're gonna do that too. Oh, and guys, what is happening at Zara? Because the new collection that they came out with online just a couple of days ago, I haven't seen it yet. We're gonna have a look now if we find anything. But it's me. It is every single piece as if it's been designed for me or by me. I could design the same kind of dresses if I would ever given the chance to design anything. So I think we have to buy a lot of the new Zara collection too. Okay, should we go and have a look at Zara? Just wanted to quickly show you the outfit of the day. Cozy and comfy. The new collection hasn't launched yet in store, but I would say let's have a quick look. Too many people at Pop Mart. And guys, it looks like version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4 is readily available now. That is a madness. So for anybody who is in Stratford, London, Stratford has always been the most accessible Pop Mart boutique in my opinion. Definitely come to Stratford. I think your chances of actually getting something are pretty good here. Okay guys, I haven't had one of the A to M ones yet. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same, well, some disease, luxury disease. And yeah guys, I see you again soon. And last but not least, now we do the reveal. I don't want to see the card obviously, so let's see what color we get. Oh, cute! It's a green one. That's cute. I don't have a green one yet. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it and I see you soon. Bye!